Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today we are going snowshoeing. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. I'm in Desolation Wilderness up towards Loon Lake. This is a great place to snowshoe. Head up Highway 50, get off at Icehouse, go on take your directions on out to Loon Lake campgrounds. The road will have a gate across it. Just park there, and you can get ready, leave your Jeep. Hiking or snowshoeing along Loon Lake, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Every once in a while we get a peek of it. So there's a really nice chalet out here that you can rent on the weekends. If you look up, you can rent it and have it for the weekends, which is nice because you can go snowshoeing, just snow skiing, any of that stuff. And when you come in, it has a kitchen area, it has a fireplace, it has lights. By the door when you walk in, it has a place to put your boots and your gloves to dry them. And then up top, it actually has a bunch of mattresses where you can bring your own bedding, and you can actually sleep up here. So it's something to definitely look into if you want to just stay up there for a weekend. It's pretty cool. Such a rewarding hike. Tricky. Just be careful. Oh, wow. It's absolutely gorgeous. Your legs.
It's hard to use the snowshoes. Oh, it's a good one.
There's a result of our snow. Well, we're done. We're at the very end of our snowshoeing adventure for the day. It's a cool little lake right here where we parked by. Thank you for watching. If you can hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and a few comments below, I'd appreciate it. Till next time.